Welcome to a culinary journey where we'll explore the delightful versatility of salmon, a favorite among seafood lovers. Today, we'll venture into three distinct ways of cooking this gem from the sea: grilling for that smoky allure, poaching for a tender and juicy experience, and pan-searing for a crispy golden delight. Each method brings out unique flavors and textures, offering a different take on the same star ingredient. So, get ready to dive into the world of salmon as we unravel the secrets to a perfect salmon dish. First, we'll venture into the tantalizing world of grilled salmon. The key here lies in the marinade, a simple yet potent mix of olive oil, fresh lemon juice, minced garlic, salt, pepper, and dill infuses a burst of flavor into the salmon. Let the salmon bask in this marinade for anywhere between 15 to 30 minutes, allowing the flavors to permeate through the fish. Now, let's talk grilling. The secret to a perfectly grilled salmon is to start skin side down, preserving the moisture and achieving those coveted grill marks. Look for the color to change gradually from the bottom up, and when it's opaque all the way through, your salmon is done. And what's a grilled salmon without a fitting accompaniment? Pair it with a fresh herb salad or grilled asparagus for a wholesome, nutritious meal. And there you have it, a delectable grilled salmon dish that's sure to impress at your next barbecue. Next, we'll delve into the soothing realm of poached salmon. It's all about the poaching liquid here. This flavorful bath is a concoction of water, white wine, lemon slices, fresh herbs, and a sprinkle of peppercorns. Bring this aromatic mixture to a gentle simmer, letting the flavors meld together. Now, for the star of the show, gently place the salmon in the liquid. The key is to let the salmon poach at its own pace, so cover the pan and let the magic happen. As for the poaching time, it's a delicate balance. You're looking for a flesh that's opaque throughout and yet still moist. As a serving suggestion, a light dill sauce complements the delicate flavors of the poached salmon perfectly. Pair it with some boiled potatoes or steamed greens, and you've got yourself a dish that's both wholesome and hearty. There you are, a beautifully poached salmon dish, light yet full of flavor, perfect for a healthy dinner. Finally, we'll step into the sizzling world of pan-seared salmon. The secret here is getting that crispy skin. Start by seasoning your salmon fillet with a generous sprinkle of salt and pepper. This simple seasoning enhances the natural flavors of the salmon without overpowering them. Next, heat a dash of olive oil in your pan until it shimmers. Carefully place the salmon, skin side down, into the hot pan. Listen to that satisfying sizzle. It's the sound of culinary magic happening. Now resist the urge to move the fish around. Patience is key here. Allow the salmon to cook undisturbed until the skin is crispy and easily releases from the pan. Remember, overcrowding the pan can cause the salmon to steam rather than sear, so give each fillet plenty of space. Now, flip the fillets and finish cooking them to your desired level of doneness. We recommend pairing this with a side of sautéed spinach or a vibrant quinoa salad. And voila, a crispy pan-seared salmon dish that's a sure hit at any meal. Now that we've mastered the three methods, here are some tips and tricks to get the best out of your salmon cooking experience. When choosing salmon, look for vibrant color and firm flesh. Store it in the coldest part of your fridge, ideally on ice. For even cooking, let it come to room temperature before you start, and don't be afraid to mix things up. Try different herbs and spices to create your own unique flavors. So, these were some handy tips to elevate your salmon dishes. We've journeyed through the delightful world of salmon, mastering three distinct cooking methods. From the smoky char of grilling, the gentle tenderness of poaching, to the crispy allure of pan-searing, each method brings out a unique facet of this versatile fish. Cooking salmon is as easy as 1, 2, 3, and the possibilities for flavor are endless. Remember, the kitchen is your playground, so try these methods at home. Share your experiences in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more cooking guides. Happy cooking!